Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to check motor voltage, motor current, motor power, motor frequency, motor speed. This is Siemens Sinamics V20 20 horsepower inverter. Okay, let's start. To check the motor parameter, first press M button, down arrow. I will start P0304. P0304 rated motor voltage. OK. Again OK button, press 400. Now 400 voltage set. Back. P0305. This is rated motor current. Press OK again. Now here set 28.5 ampere. Back. P0307. This parameter for motor rated power. OK. Again OK. Here set 15 kilowatt. Press M. P0308 rated motor power factor. To check, press OK. Again press OK button. Power factor is 0.8. Back. Now I will go to parameter P0310. This is rated motor frequency. To check, press OK button. Again OK button. Here set 50 Hz. Back. Now P0311. This is rated motor speed, RPM. To check, press OK button. Again OK button. Here set 1455, 1455. Back. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.